Veterinary biochemistry, brain teasers, salient features. Urea has 262 to 281 protein equivalent percentage to crude protein. Poultry litter contains 5% nitrogen equivalent to 31% crude protein. Crude protein is estimated by Soxhlet by Jaldal apparatus. Jaldal apparatus estimates protein, and in this method, the value obtained is the amount of nitrogen present in that substance upon which we had applied the Jaldal apparatus. So whatever the value is obtained from Jaldal apparatus, this value is multiplied by 6.25. The value that obtained from that of the Jaldal apparatus is the amount of nitrogen, and that nitrogen is multiplied by 6.25, a constant. The resultant will be the amount of protein present in that. We know that carbohydrate and lipids do not have nitrogen in that. There are three basic building blocks of an organism: carbohydrate, fat, protein. And protein has nitrogen, whereas nitrogen is not present in carbohydrate and fat. So we directly estimate nitrogen to estimate indirectly the protein, and nitrogen value is obtained by Jaldal apparatus and multiplied by 6.25. That will give us the value of crude protein. So it is saying that 5% nitrogen is in the poultry litter, and that 5% is estimated through the Jaldal apparatus, and this 5% is multiplied by 6.25. The value will be 31%. So we can say indirectly that the amount of protein in poultry litter is 31%, as it has the nitrogen concentration of 5%. 1 gram of starch produces 0.56 gram of metabolic water. Mannose, galactose, fructose are hexose monosaccharide. Maltose and lactose are disaccharide. Cephalin, lecithin and sphingomyelin are phospholipids. Fluorine, iodine, cobalt and chromium are microminerals. Arabinose, xylose, ribose and pentose are monosaccharide. Raffinose is trisaccharide obtained from sugar beet. Urdu of sugar beets is shakargandi. Shakargandi has raffinose, that is a trisaccharide. Peptine is carbohydrate and make up of rhamnose and galacturonic acid. Pectin is carbohydrate made up of rhamnose and galacturonic acid. Fructose is the only natural occurring ketohexose. This is also known as levulose. It is sweetest sugar. The sweetest sugar is fructose, and it is the only naturally occurring ketohexose. And fructose is also known as levulose, and it is the sweetest sugar. Sucrose is non-reducing sugar. Maltose is also known as malt sugar, as it may be obtained through the malting process. Lactose is known as milk sugar. The sugar of milk is lactose. Crude protein includes lignin, gums, pectins, mucilages, cellulose and hemicellulose. Crude fiber is digested in rumen color nutrients. Lignins of woody trees do not contain nitrogen. Wax is saponifiable lipid. Steroids, terpenes are non-saponifiable lipids. Saponifiable lipid is the wax, whereas the non-saponifiable lipids are the steroid and terpenes. Phospholipids serve as the liaison between fat soluble and water soluble substances. So as the cell membrane of cell is made up of phospholipids, so this phospholipid cell membrane acts as the barrier between the external surrounding and the internal surrounding of water and fat, of polar and of fat and non-fat substances. Sphingomyelins are present in brain and in myelin sheath of nerve tissue. It is also known as 4-sphingmin. 4-sphingmin is another name of the sphingomyelins, and they are present in brain and in myelin sheath of nerve tissue. Cerebroside is simplest glycolipid. Progesterone, estrogen and adrenal corticosteroids are derived from cholesterol. Cholesterol exists as both free and it may form esters. Ergosterol is precursor of vitamin D3. Prostaglandin E inhibit the gastric acid secretion. The method by which the prostaglandin E blocks gastric secretion is by inhibiting the cyclic AMP formation in gastric mucosal cells. Fat are most concentrated form of stored energy in animals. Lipid protect organs from mechanical shock and maintain optimal body temperature, and they are the energy reserve for an individual. All proteins contain CHNOPS, CHNOPS, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, phosphorus, and sulfur. It is in a strongly acid solution. Amino acid exists largely as cation, while in alkaline solution it exists as anion. Alkaline solution as anion of the amino acids. pH value at which amino acid is electrically neutral is known as an isoelectric point. Isoelectric point is the point in which the pH of amino acid is neutral. All amino acids except glycine are optically active. Methionine is the first limiting amino acid of soybean. Hydrolysis of histone yields arginine and lysine. Arginine and lysine are the most required amino acids required in poultry. The most required amino acids are the arginine, lysine, methionine, plus cysteine, tryptophan, tyrosine, and threonine. If these 6 amino acids are in the balance, then our protein is balanced in the poultry diet. So the first two limiting amino acids are in histone. So the histone has the first two limiting amino acids of the poultry, that are the arginine, lysine. The other four required amino acids for poultry are arginine, lysine, methionine, plus cysteine, tryptophan, tyrosine, and threonine. Calcium and phosphorus account for 3/4 of the minerals in body. Calcium and phosphorus are the 3/4 of the minerals of the body. Parathyroid hormone, calcium is 49% and phosphorus is 27%. As dicalcium phosphate, calcium is double than that of phosphorus. Calcium is required double than that of the requirement of phosphorus. Parathyroid hormone increases the serum calcium and lowers the phosphorus. So parathyroid hormone should be active if an animal is subjected to the milk fever. So we have to target that hormone too, as it increases the serum calcium level. Out of total phosphorus in body, 43% is present in free bicarbonate, 20% as sodium bicarbonate. Total phosphorus 20. Potassium maintains acid base equilibrium and nerve transmission. Zinc is poorly absorbed from intestine. Sodium maintains blood fluid pH. Sodium metabolism is primarily regulated by aldosterone hormone, which promotes resorption of sodium from kidney tubules. Sodium is the regulator of resorption of sodium from kidneys, and it is regulated by aldosterone hormone. You know that renin, angiotensin, aldosterone system is there that involves lungs and kidneys. Only 1/3 of the total body sodium is present in skeleton. 1/3, it means 33% of the sodium of the body is in skeleton. Skeleton is rich with calcium and phosphorus and is deficient in sodium as compared with that of the body. Cysteine and methionine are sulfur containing amino acid. You can remember it as CMS. Cysteine, C means cysteine, and M means methionine. Magnesium ion activates phosphatase enzyme and controls the irritability and neuromuscular system. Magnesium activates phosphatase enzymes and control irritability of neuromuscular system. Iron is present in most of the animal feed as ferric oxide and is absorbed as ferrous form. Iron is present in food in ferric and is absorbed in the gastrointestinal tract as ferrous. Partial hydrolysis of cellulose yields disaccharide cellobiose. Cellobiose. Zinc is integral part of enzyme carbonic anhydrase, which is responsible for rapid combination of carbon dioxide with water in red blood cell of peripheral capillary blood, and for rapid release of carbon dioxide from blood into alveoli of lung. Zinc is part of carbonic anhydrase and is linked with carbon dioxide exchange with the lungs. Manganese activates arginase, thioaminase, enolase, and prolinase enzymes. The enzyme linked with manganese are the arginine, thioaminase, enolase, and prolinase. Whole rice is excellent source of manganese, and so manganese is as 420 parts per million in rice. Parts per million can also be called as the milligram per liter or milligram per kg. So 420 milligram per kg is in the rice. Iodine is absorbed as iodine form most readily from small intestine, and there are three main types of iodine in bounded form and it is found in bounded form in thyroid gland and bounded with the tyrosine molecule. In thyroid gland, iodine is bound to tyrosine molecule of thymoglobulin, and it is bounded with the tyrosine molecule of thymoglobulin as 3-monoiodothyronine, 3,5-diiodothyronine, 3,5-3,5 tetraiodothyronine, and 3,5-3 triiodothyronine. It is bound in the three place of one with one iodothyronine, with two iodides, with four iodides, and with three iodides. Means four main types. It is bound with the thyrronine as four main types, and the fourth type in which four iodines are bounded with tyrosine molecule are the tetraiodothyronine. And with respect to biochemical nomenclature, it is represented as 3,5-3,5 tetraiodothyronine, and it is also known as thyroxine. Xanthine oxidase and liver aldehyde oxidase contain molybdenum. Molybdenum is present in xanthine oxidase and liver aldehyde oxidase. Teartiness occurs due to molybdenum is termed as Peat scores. Peat scores are the scores that are due to the molybdenum. Vitamin A is essential for formation of rhodopsin, which is needed for vision of dim light. Deficiency of vitamin A causes the poor vision in dim light or no vision in dim light. That is due to the no formation of rhodopsin, and vitamin A at optimal amount will form the rhodopsin, which will let us to see in the dim light. Vitamin D4 is activated as 22 or 2,2-dehydroergosterol. Vitamin D stimulates release of calcium and incorporation of phosphorus into phospholipids of intestinal mucosa, as every cell is made up of phospholipids. So vitamin D releases the calcium and the phosphorus, and that phospholipid of the cells of the intestinal mucosa are due to the vitamin D stimulation. Vitamin K is needed for formation of specific messenger RNA which directs synthesis of prothrombin. Vitamin K synthesizes prothrombin and for blood clotting, and this the mechanism of formation of prothrombin formation to clot the blood by vitamin K is by the formation of specific messenger RNA that directs the synthesis of prothrombin. Phyloquinone and menaquinone are two forms of vitamin K. Questions: which of the following fasting persistent glucose level are suggestive of diabetes mellitus in dogs? If the dog has more than 200 mg per deciliter of the glucose level, then it will be the case of diabetes mellitus. Hyperglycemia can also be caused by hyperadrenocorticism in all of these, as dogs, horses, and cats. Hyperglycemia is caused by hyperadrenocorticism in approximately all species. Hyperglycemia refers to increased glucose level in blood. Emia mean in the blood. Hyper mean increased glycemia. Gly mean glucose. Serum sample should be separated from red blood cell within 30 minutes. Normal blood urea nitrogen values ranges in 10 to 30 mg per deciliter, and the increased blood urea nitrogen is checked, or blood urea nitrogen is estimated to check the renal function. If it is normal, then the renal function is normal, and if it is more than 10 to 30 mg per deciliter, or less than that, then it will be abnormal. Glomerular filtration rate or GFR can be estimated by blood creatinine level. They both are blood urea nitrogen level and blood creatinine level, both are the tests for kidney functioning. And blood urea checks that renal there is renal damage or not, and the creatinine level checks that the part of the kidney, the glomerulus, and its function, glomerular filtration, is being performed at optimal level or not. Increased blood urea nitrogen and creatinine, they both test in combination. If they both substances are increased, then the condition is called as the azotemia. This is checked for the functioning of kidney. Azotemia may lead to the kidney failure. Pre-renal azotemia is usually accomplished by which type of urine? Hyperostenuric urine. Hyperostenuric urine is with the pre-renal azoturia, and hypoosthetic and at hypoosthenic urea match the following. Proteinuria is protein in urine. Hyperglycemia is glycemia, glucose is more in blood. Lipemia means lipid in blood. Acetonemia means acetones in blood. Rothra test is used for diagnosis of ketosis. Urine test, urine protein in creatinine. Urine protein to creatinine ratio of healthy dog should be less than 1. In healthy dogs, the urea protein to creatinine level should be less than 1. Which of the following is sensitive indicator of cholestasis? Serum alkaline phosphatase is the sensitive indicator of cholestasis, and cholestasis is a liver disease. It occurs when the flow of bile from the liver is reduced or blocked. Bile is fluid produced by liver that aids in digestion of lipids, especially fats. When bile flow is altered or obstructed, it can lead to buildup of bilirubin, and this cholestasis is checked by serum alkaline phosphatase. Which test is Vandenberg test is used to distinguish between hemolytic and obstructive jaundice. These two types of jaundice are checked by Vandenberg test. Which of the right the true false? Predominance of unconjugated bilirubin is suggestive of hemolytic jaundice. Predominance of conjugated bilirubin is suggestive of extrahepatic biliary obstruction. Bilirubin is a relatively insensitive indicator of hepatic disease in cattle with jaundice. So increase in unconjugated bilirubin is seen with both hemolytic and hepatic disease in horses. Excreted bilirubin glucuronide is reduced by urobilinogen by intestinal bacteria. Bile acids are required for emulsification of dietary fat before its digestion and absorption. It is important point that bile acids are required for emulsification of dietary fat. Dietary fat is emulsified by bile acids so that they can be digested and absorbed. Ammonia is converted to urea in liver, and liver is the rich source of vitamin A. The deficiency of vitamin A causes difficult to see in the night. Removal of bromophythalin dye from the blood can be used as a measure of hepatocyte function. For mature horses, the half-life of BSP or the bromophythalin clearance time is 2 to 3.7 times approximately. There is same time for horses and cattle. Horses has some value less than that of the cattle for 1 hour. As for horses, it is 2 to 3.7 minutes, and for cattle the half time for sulfobromophythalin is 2.5 to 4.1 minutes in cattle. Cattle require 1 minute more than that of horses to clear the bromophythalin diaphragm blood, and that is used for hepatocyte functioning. Pancreas is primary source of serum amylase. In cats, serum lipase activity is the earliest and most consistent indicator of acute pancreatitis. In cats, pancreatitis is detected by serum lipase. Steatorrhea refers to presence of fat in feces. Fat in feces is steatorrhea. Host determination is a specific test for identification of exocrine pancreatitis insufficiency in dogs. Trypsin-like immunoreactivity. Trypsin-like immunoreactivity is a specific test that detects the exocrine pancreatic insufficiency in dogs. Ammonium burate crystal occurs in alkaline urine. Alkaline urine has the ammonium burate crystals. Hyaline casts are usually cast by renal proteinuria. Acetone of parathyroid hormone and calcitonin on resorption is antagonistic. They both are the antagonistic as the acetone of parathyroid hormone and calcitonin on resorption. Concentration of calcium in blood of mammals is 10 milligram per deciliter. So if an animal is infected with if an animal undergoes milk fever, usually after parturition, then we usually inject approximately 300 to 500 ml of Milfon C, a combination or a solution of calcium, and that solution has approximately 20 mg of calcium per 100 ml. So we usually give the 50 to 60 milligram of calcium to that animal. So the required dose will be approximately 200 or to 300 or 500 ml, as each 100 ml is giving 20 mg of calcium to that animal. So to achieve the 60 mg, we give 300 mg of the Milfon C to that animal. And 100 mg per deciliter is the concentration of calcium in blood. So it will be the 100 mg per liter in the blood. And if we know that the animal, as cattle, has the approximately 10 liter of blood. So 10 liter of blood, and each liter has 100 mg. So 100 multiplied by 10, it will be the 1000 mg of total calcium in cattle. But we inject, in the case of Milfon C, as 50 to 100 mg of calcium. Not 50 to 100, it is usually 50 to 80 mg of calcium. Very much calcium injection or very speedy calcium injection may cause effects on heart rate, and it may cause the animal to collapse. Hypophosphatemia develops from direct action of calcitonin. Calcitonin causes the hypophosphatemia. Which one is thyroxine? T4 or tetrahydrothioronine is thyroxine. 1 gram per deciliter of creatinine will be equal to 88.40 micromoles per liter. Thyroid hormones are lipophilic. Match the column. Cushing disease. Cushing disease is by hyperadrenocorticism. Cholecalciferol is vitamin D3. Algocalciferol is vitamin D2, and calcitrol is 1,2,5 dihydroxyvitamin D. There are 3 types of vitamin D3, 3 different names of different vitamin Ds. Dihydroxyvitamin D is calcitrol. Algocalciferol is vitamin D2, and cholecalciferol, that is used usually and is available in market, is cholecalciferol, and it is D3, vitamin D3. Match the following. PCV in cat is 8 to pack cell volume in cat is 30 to 45. Hemoglobin in goat is 8 to 12 gram per deciliter. It is same as that of most of the humans. It is value is little bit less than that of human males, and it is approximately same as that of human females. Hemoglobin in goat is approximately same as that of the females of humans. PCV in cat is 30 to 45. Red blood cell in pig is, platelets in cows is 5 to 7 into 10 raised to power 5 per microliter. 10 raised to power 5 per microliter is the platelets in cow, and red blood cell in pig is 1 to 7 into 10 raised to power 6 per microliter. True false, hens bodies are pieces of oxidized hemoglobin. They are present in red blood cells, and they are the remnants of the nucleus of red blood cells. In initial stages, red blood cell has the nucleus, but as the red blood cell mature, they have no nucleus. Their nucleus is reduced or eliminated, but some red blood cells failed to achieve that of removing all of the constituents of red blood cell, and some part is remained, is known as Hen's body of red blood cell. Remember that the mammals do not have nucleated red blood cell, whereas the avians have nucleated red blood cells, and the shape of camel is slightly different than that of the other mammals. Camel shape is slightly elliptical. And other true sentences: dehydration causes increased impact cell volume.